Okay, so let's move to this one. As you can see, this basket in front of you is the laundry hamper. You can put it into your bathroom for storage some dirty clothes to protect your individuals. The shape is round. You can see the open top will be very easy for accessibility. And also this one, we use our latest design with 2 different colors, and also due to this large capacity, we add the fabric handles to make it easy for your moving. Secondly, I want to measure the size for your easier understanding. Top diameter is 39. Height 50 without handle, 60 with handle. If you want to enlarge or shrink the size, we can also do it. About the packaging, actually it can be folded or nested one by one to save your container space. This one, the MOQ is also 300 pieces. If you want to order this one, you can contact me. So that's all. Thank you. Bye.